And, normal day, driving up 85. All of a sudden, cars slow down, well, usual, But in front of me, a huge fireball just erupts. And this guy gets out of a Jeep, and he's just riding around. He's covered in flames. And it's just crazy. I'm like, yawning? I'll give you something to yawn about. How about this story? So I was getting up this morning, and, I was tired. Really tired. But I didn't say snooze the alarm. I don't like the snooze alarm. And, got up, got out of bed. It was cold. So, I got the heat up and went in, started making coffee. Got the coffee grounds out, got the coffee filter, put it all together, put the water in, just right in, and started making the coffee. So I'm looking at it, making sure it's working, making sure it's churning away, and nothing's leaking or anything. And then, so I go in there and take a shower. Well, look in, the soap, it's, broken out. So, okay, gotta get some more soap. And, yawning again? Twice damned. Well, I guess I'll have to just start over. So I was getting up this morning. I looked over at the clock. 7:30, and I'm tired. I didn't get to bed early enough. Got to work. It's a little late. Walk in, and receptionist, usual hey to me. Hey, good morning. And no smile, typical. That's okay. So I'll go to my cube, sit down, check my email. Not much happening. I'm tired. I haven't had a lot of sleep. Man, I guess I could have snoozed this morning, but didn't do it. I was late anyway. It's one of those mornings where you're kind of like, where did the time go? So anyway, checking my email, pointing, clicking, usual thing, and like I said, there wasn't a lot going on. And I guess I'll go down, see what Tom's doing, see how his day's going. He's been here a while. He gets in early. And, yawning again! That's the 7th damn time. Guess I'm just going to have to start over again. So I got up this morning. Well, I didn't snooze any.